Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a website with WordPress. Alright guys, so you want to build a website in 2025 fast and without coding. In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional website from scratch, step by step, perfect for beginners. So your first step would be to get hosting and domain. Firstly, try and grab a domain and web hosting from platforms like Hostinger, Bluehost, or Namecheap. They all offer WordPress and they will help you install WordPress automatically. You just have to choose a short and catchy domain. So as you can see, I've searched up Hostinger as this is going to be the platform I'm going to be hosting my website on. So all you need to do is go ahead and click on hostinger.com and you'll be taken to this platform. Once you're on Hostinger, just go ahead and at the time of when you're watching this video, you could simply claim a Black Friday sale, which is going to be giving you 3 extra months and a free domain at $2.49 a month. Now you can find discounts on your plan. You could find a domain. You could, read their testimonials. And if you scroll a bit more, you can find more about Hostinger. Now, what we're interested in is their pricing and mostly their services. So once you click on pricing, you can see their pricings for web hosting, VPS hosting, N8N VPS, website building, horizons, domains, and business emails. So you're going to be paying for both web hosting and domains. It's going to cover the same package, and you get to make, some, and you get to own a website. All right. So like I said, they would help you install WordPress automatically. Once WordPress is installed, just simply head over to your WordPress admin panel and simply log in with your details gotten from Hostinger. So Hostinger might send you an email or they would give you or provide you with access to your unique WordPress. All right. So once you're on WordPress and you've gotten your hosting and you're done installing WordPress, all you need to do is simply choose a theme. So you could go ahead and select a theme. All you need to do is just scroll to where we have appearance, click on appearance here. It's going to open up appearances where we have themes. Just simply scroll and click on themes and you would have access to themes. Now all you need to do is click on the add theme option. Click on it and you're going to be shown a list of themes you can apply to your website. So basically themes are like templates you could use, simply edit and just drop it on your website and it's going to look fresh and ready for you. Basically, you need themes like Astra, Bloxy, or Hello Elementor. They work great in 2025. Just install your favorite and then click on customize, like I said, to change the colors, fonts, and layouts. So you can do this for any of them like Astra, Hello Elementor, Ocean WP. They all work for the purpose of just, having a theme installed onto your website. Now, the next thing you should do is to build your pages using uh, Page Builder. So all you need to do for this is just scroll to where we have plugins. So click on plugins here. And once you click on plugins, you'll be showing your list of installed plugins first. Once the plugin menu opens up, just go ahead and click on add plugin. On the add plugins menu, it's a simple process. Just go ahead and simply search for something like Elementor or Gutenberg, which can be used for drag and drop editing of your website. So just go ahead and search in Elementor. Elementor works, Gutenberg works. So you could use both of these to simply design and customize your website using the drag and drop feature. You could add sections, images, and buttons with no coding required. You do not need prior coding experience. You just have to understand what you're doing, and that's the point of this tutorial. So install Gutenberg or Elementor. They're going to appear in your screen once you head over to plugins and click on add plugins and use the search bar here to simply search for Elementor. So it's going to look something like this: Elementor website builder, more than just a page builder. So basically make sure it's always up to date. You could install Elementor, you could download Gutenberg. They both provide the same services. Now on this same add plugins menu, you could also try to include Yoast SEO. So Yoast is a really good plugin you could add for your website, as it's going to be aiding you with optimization. So your website isn't going to be falling behind when compared to other people's websites. So using Yoast SEO is going to help with optimization. You could also try the WordPress forms, which is for contact forms, and then you could also install Lightspeed Cache. So using Lightspeed Cache is basically getting yourself faster loading times on your website. Using Yoast SEO is for optimization of your site. And like I said earlier, using what we call WP forms is to create contact forms. So if you want to be contacted on your website, you can use it for that. All right, guys. And don't forget, too many plugins would likely slow down your website. So make sure you keep your plugins according to what is needed at the time. So here we go: WP forms, easy form builder for WordPress, contact forms, payment forms, and surveys. The best WordPress contact form. So basically, that's what it is. That's what it serves for. All right, now the next step is actually publishing your website. So you can preview your site and fix any mobile issues and then click on published. Once you're done, you could find these informations when you head over to things like pages. On the pages menu, you get to see all your pages and you get to publish each and every one of your page. Or you could just publish all of them at the same time using either your dashboard or Hostinger. So you could use these to simply upload or publish your website. All right, guys, that's how you can go about making a website with WordPress. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.